Introducing the Sportsman Series from Pit Boss, built with passion for outdoor cooking and respect for world-class equipment. This series proudly offers the largest variety of grills and smokers to meet every sportsman's needs. Perfect for smoking fish, grilling game, searing steak, and more. Embrace the field to grill lifestyle with unique features like steel folding front shelf, integrated hopper side spice rack, and bottle opener, stainless steel side shelf with removable tray, and a matte black finish with orange highlights, sure to be the centerpiece of any outdoor cookout. With unbeatable 8-in-1 cooking versatility and the robust flavor of 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, the Pit Boss Sportsman Series delivers flavor to power every meal. Smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char-grill, and of course, sear. The external flame broiler lever allows complete control of direct heat up to 1,000 degrees. Heavy-duty construction, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, smokestack with adjustable chimney cap, temperature range between 180 and 500 degrees. Digital control board with meat probes, and more options to cater to your lifestyle needs means you'll have all the tools necessary of a true outdoor sportsman. 4-wood pellet grill sizes, 500, 820, 1100, and 1000, offer a range of available cooking space for a variety of needs. The 1230 combination grill offers dual fuel technology. Harness the flavor of wood and the convenience of gas with the added 3-burner gas grill on one side and the wood pellet smoker on the other. The damper lever feeds smoke from the pellet side into the gas side, perfect for cold smoking. Bring bold wood-fired foods everywhere you venture with the 260 portable pellet grill. Thanks to its foldable legs, lightweight design, and a latching hood, this Sportsman provides robust versatility and an innovative compact package. Go vertical with the 5 and 7000 series vertical smokers, offering the largest cooking capacity up to over 1,800 square inches. Included sausage meat hooks, adjustable cooking racks, and the 55-pound rear axis hopper will keep your cook going day and night. Each unit in the Sportsman Series proudly offers a best-in-class 5-year warranty for peace of mind. A world-class outdoor cooking experience with the Pit Boss Sportsman Series.